Napakalakas na niya. Nagbago na ang mga ibang items natin at nawala na ang mga Johet at iba pa. Nandyan pa rin ang Edith.
This is just an amazing pick coming in from Master the Basics, and we've seen it also from the draft. Yung kadalasan na ginagawa ng Aurora is they start with a Zushin. Nang sa ganon ay mabigyan talaga nila ng hero kaagad itong si Yue, and that has been the story of this series so far. Bigyan mo ng komportabling hero si Yue, and that also translated to a lot of heroes being opened for all of the other teams. Kasi nung naging komportable talaga sila, especially with Edward having that better lane matchup kontra dito kay Flap TZ, he's able to rotate on other sides of the lane. Mas mabilis siyang makatulong, mas mabilis siyang makarespo, and most of the kits na hawak ngayon ng Aurora is really potent for team fighting. So mid, sobrang nahirapan talaga ang Falcons AP Bren in one, trying to defend, and two, even engaging in team fights.
Grabe, no? When we look at the entire composition na hawak dito ng Aurora, masasabi natin na napakalakas talaga ng pag-re-engage nila because of the Rafaela as well. Regardless, kahit napagan sila ng real-world manipulation dito, the fact na may access ka sa primal wrath ng isang Edith, and of course, yung Crimson Beacon na rin dito ni Yue, plus the holy healing coming in from Rafa,